Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on my Woolly Friends cards with Robin because I wanted to let you know if you purchase the Woolly Friends bundle, you can get this card workshop for free and it's so stinking cute. It's got some all these little sheaths are so cute in these springtime scenes. You learn how to mask a little bit and very cute. Um, I will have two videos, one to show you how to set up your punch so that it's the most effective. You can see that you can cut out this main shape, and the head, and a bow and a bell. You can punch that out of the punch. And you can order this at my house or you can order this online. But if you order the stamp set bundle from me, I will send you the kit while supplies last. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.